couldn't, and my hand ended up getting sliced by the blade. But and it's a different snake. Oh God. What's going on YouTube? Armani, that car addict, back to you guys with a brand new video. And yes, I ended up hurting my finger a few days ago. So I'm gonna just tell you guys that story right quick because I'm headed to a friend's house right now. But I was helping my mom cut branches off a tree. Well, we have a tree in our yard, and another tree was growing beside the tree, inside the tree, and it was coming out looking like weeds. So he's trying to cut those down with a trimmer that we got. And I was stepping on some branches, trying to cut the thing, and my foot slipped, and my hand flew towards the blade. I tried to let go of the blade from stop running as fast as I could, but I couldn't, and my hand ended up getting sliced by the blade. But luckily, I mean, it was deep, but not deep, not all the way down to the bone. But I'll get my I don't know if I want to post a picture of it for you guys, but if you want to see it, I'll post it. If you don't want to see it, just don't look at it. But other than that, I'm on my way to Russell's house. If you guys don't know who Russell is, Russell Sanders on YouTube. I'm headed to his house because Tony is finally getting the car today. I don't know what he's getting, but he just told me to come by and video it. So that's where I'm headed right now, and let's see what Tony gets. I'll see you guys when I get there.
That snake's like, hell no.
That boy down there pulled up with a snake on. The dog is tweaking.
Snakes on.
Well, we are here at Russell's house waiting.
Russell's house.
Russell's.
I'll have to give me a cup of coffee, so let me be back.
Yeah, Russell's Dope Supra in here. And his friend's Dope Bike right here. And his friend's Dope 335 right here. And his girlfriend's BRZ. Well, FRS right there.
Where's the other half?
That's a nice little lot right here. Nice little house. Chill spot. Dope ass little garage. So right now we are waiting for the guy to pull up to sell Tony the guy's car. I mean, bring Tony's car. So we're just sitting here hanging out waiting till the guy gets here. So I don't know, we're just gonna sit up here, chill out, and I'll let you guys know when the guy pulls up. Yes. It's so hard trying to vlog with the
She don't like you.
I don't know. It's alright. It's so hard trying to vlog with a freaking hurt finger, but oh well. Tony, you look awfully Hispanic today. You don't look like El DeBarge or somebody. This dude is happy. Tony, show them what that knot looked like.
The what?
The knot.
In here?
Yeah.
Hold up.
Yeah, it's called. Got that wad on it. You got that wad on it.
Oh yeah, the $1 bill.
That $1 bill.
Oh, you got the $1 bill.
That's his tip.
Oh, pretty bad. The snake. Oh, hopefully the snake don't try to eat my thing. But
I don't think it's a rabbit.
I forgot. Nobody has really seen Donovan in a while.
I know. How's everybody been? Let me know in the comment section.
I mean, he refinished his Grom.
Yeah.
You said Vontae's on the way, right?
Oh, I think so.
Oh, okay.
Had to go with a darker blue.
I see you looped it a few times.
Oh man.
A few. You should
I
see
broke
the last
the whole.
time.
I
The
see.
last time we were watching him, he goes up.
I thought there's a bee on my shoulder.
And he goes back too far, and his back just went boom, and the taillight went boom, and then like a little white piece went skating across the parking lot. Man, it was hilarious. He was like, oh, I looped it again.
Your Tony's little sister.
What, Mommy?
Next video, you on the ground?
Oh, it's on time.
I don't know how to tie.
Next video, I'll try to ride this motherfucker. When my finger gets better. So.
What?
Yeah, I don't know, but we're just waiting.
How many
So.
stitches did you get in there?
I got six stitches in my
Yeah,
finger.
Tony showed me the picture of that.
Yeah.
It was nasty.
Oh, I was cutting a branch and with
Here,
this
you hold
trimmer
this, I'll tie your
and
shoe.
yeah.
Not on rep.
My hand fell. I fell and I slipped and cut myself. Yeah, and that's what happened. I know I told you guys already, but I'll wait till the guy gets here and show you Tony's new car. And you still haven't got your license yet.
You could have been happy.
What's a DMV?
Yeah, we have money. No,
You don't even have the thing.
Tamer.
You don't even have the thing in there.
Okay. Still gonna sound good. And my voice is amazing. If we have our money, the wireless snake tamer.
Were you trying to be Morgan Freeman?
You know that
Whisper
dude that
to
gets bit by stuff?
Where's she at?
Coyote Houston.
Oh.
Play a flute.
Oh.
Make her do the little
What?
thing. Play a
Ding a
flute.
ding a ding a ding a ding a ding. So.
I'm gonna throw it on you.
No, I fucking will kill you.
Bro, this dog's been hella protected.
Don't let him get in. Don't.
Bro, the dog's been so protected. He's gonna sit there too.
That boomer don't even know what's happening right now.
My eyes are literally no, that was mine. And then that other was Nash. I was gonna bring two snakes. Man,
She just achieved something right there. It's okay. It won't get you. And if it does, flinch like a motherfucker.
Oh, hell no.
You're hoping you're asleep.
Yes.
Alright, so, yep, I got another snake in my head. And it's a different snake. Oh, God. And so, Tony just said he saw him drive by. I don't know where he's at. He's coming? Oh. 1 second.
Don't start being a fangirl. Don't be starting like, oh my gosh, Tony.
Oh, there it is. Tony's new ride.
No!
Where's he going? Oh. That boy Tony happy as hell. Hey man, Tony happy. Oh boy.
Number Jam, look at that goddamn ground, bro. Goddamn, look at those eyes, bro.
Fuck yeah. You signing paperwork right now. This thing does look dope.
Damn, I forgot the plates.
All gotta clap when you sign. Wait,
You got a Recaro? Tony, you got a Recaro seat in this motherfucker?
Happy birthday, Tony! Y'all went in and got your car.
You got Recaro seats in this motherfucker. Hold on. Hold on, bro. We ain't finna go to the beach. It's clean. You got an extra bumper in there.
It's still not cooking yet.
Hot salami. We'll need a little TFC, but it's gonna need some lights. Tony got the lights, so Tony will do all that. And yeah, I'm actually happy for Tony. Finally got a car. We don't have to. He doesn't have to ask us for rides anymore. But he still has to get his license. So I don't know. He may take it for a drive today. So we may do a little. Well, is it heavy? Oh, there's another seat in there. Okay, but yeah, it's cool, decent car. Glad Tony finally got a car, and yeah, let's see what happens.
If you want to do that, you can. If not, whatever.
Yeah, because I know the 350Z, he didn't do that, so he's just molding it instead. So
This right here is yeah, that's the oil cap. Or I'm sorry,
Tony got all of his stuff.
radiator cap. Yeah.
With
So
the
this,
car.
yeah.
He is happy.
This is heat tape. Because the intake, I felt like it was heat up a little bit. I was getting hot, so I thought
Brake caliper, everything, lights. What you gotta say about stuff?
I see you in the backseat.
Lights, JDM parts,
Oh, sorry, dude. This is where I was at with the headlight and the
freaking
kitchen.
front bumpers, front grills, all that.
Okay.
See what
So
I'm
That too?
saying? Yeah. So we go like
Crazy.
this.
One goes in the way. What's gonna be the first mod? And your lips look like you got lipstick on right now.
Okay, well, first thing I'm gonna do, headlights, brakes, coils. First mod, after I get all this stuff on, I'm doing an R154 transmission, make it stick. You know, all the goods. I'm not too sure though. Once it's stick, I'll probably.
Yeah,
make
you
it
got
stick.
all that, so.
Trying to get a Harley, motherfucker.
You happy
I'm
now?
hyped, bro. I'm hyped.
So now we're about to see every day until Tony gets his license. That's all he's gonna be doing is working on this car. Oh boy, that motherfucker clean. Let's go. That motherfucker Joe.
Oh yeah, he's got a fire extinguisher.
Jesus.
I don't even know.
You get a whole fire extinguisher in the car. Hey, that's crazy.
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm vlogging.
I haven't. He gave me some settings.
Fat
I was
turbo.
like, I want to turn it up, and
I want it all the way up.
he's like, he gave me the settings.
Tony got a new car
And the radio.
and gets to see a Mk4 Supra.
There's one other
Early birthday, dude.
Right.
every
This
now
thing
and
looks so
then.
good.
Okay.
Should be okay.
Yeah, bud.
And we know why my clutch is broke. Thing. Ride that thing, boy.
Tony,
Been doing it.
show us what you've done today. on your
He ain't
car.
did shit. Russell did it.
Well, him, Russell, and everybody else in this motherfucker. They put the bumper and the grill.
There's a
and-
grill. Put these lights on. Put that one separate. There are two different types of lights because one of those won't work and the other one of those won't work. So they just threw them on so they could pass, you know, all the inspections. We got horns now. We got a horn. We got blinkers. Brakes work. Blinkers work back here too. Yeah, we're chilling.
Oh boy, other than that, we are done for today. I'm glad Tony finally has a car, but he has a lot of work to do. So, other than that, I would like y'all to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment if you want to. And watch other videos if you haven't. And if you're new, what's up? And consider subscribing. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.